Hi, Acura MDX users. Let's get to know how to change engine oil for Acura MDX 2006. This is Nasaruddin. So why should you change your engine oil? And I recommend you change by yourself because maintaining regular oil change is mandatory for your engine health. And it's like an oxygen and secret to ensure engine's long life. There has been a report that 633,000 miles have been reported in Acura MDX 2006. It's because of regular engine oil change and regular maintenance. So DIY maintenance is super simple. What you need to do, first, you need to buy some stuff. You need to buy engine oil, you need to buy oil filter, and you need to buy some tools and supplies. So make sure you buy 5 quarts of 5W 20 full synthetic. And as for oil filter, obviously you'll see the specification when it comes to buying that. And usually you'll buy Honda genuine purse or frame PH 3614 or mobile or filter, oil filter. Or you can, you see, choose even Supertech also for cheaper option. And all you need to buy tools and supplies, socket chains, 17 millimeters, oil filter wrench, funnel, oil drain pan, jack stand, and paper towels. Obviously, don't forget to buy gloves. Let's start our whole process. So you need to warm up the engine, and you need to warm up and first start the engine and idle for about 5 minutes. Why? Because warm oil flows more easily for complete drainage. And if you see the picture, you need to prepare the vehicle first. So you are parking your car on level surface and engage the parking brake and leave the car safely using jack stands. And then you need to drain all oil. If you see the picture, so locate the drain bolt underneath the vehicle and place oil drain pan beneath the bolt, because when you will turn off the bolt, there will be the water underneath, so you have to put the drain pan there and remove the bolt with 17 millimeter wrench and let oil drain for about 10 minutes and then replace the drain bolt. So what should you do? You need to clean the drain bolt and replace gasket before reinstalling and tighten securely to prevent leaks. And step 5, you need to remove all oil filter and make sure that you find the oil filter just beneath the driver seat, I mean the front passenger seat. And you use oil filter wrench to remove it carefully over the drain pan. And then you need to reinstall, install the new oil filter and make sure that you put oil around the gasket, fresh oil, the rubber gasket, and screw on hand tight only. Do not over tighten it. And then you will add new engine oil. So you will open the hood and locate oil fill cap, and then using funnel add approximately 4.5 quarts of new synthetic oil 5W20. And first you need to check oil level. So wait a minute or two after adding the oil, and when the oil settle down, and you will check with the dipstick. So if you think that you need more, just top up. And then run the engine for final checkup. So start the engine for about 1 to 2 minutes, then turn off the engine and recheck the oil level. Will dipstick, top up if necessary. Make sure that you properly dispose of old oil. Take used oil to stores like Advanced Auto Parts, AutoZone, O'Reilly, for free disposal. Never dump oil on ground or down or down drains. I mean, that's fully illegal and also harmful for the environment. And let me give you some tips and some safety tips and best practices. So always use gloves and eye protection when handling used oil, and ensure vehicle is securely supported by jack stands before working underneath, and disposal of rocks and proper towels properly after use. So that's all. So let's get it started and see what you can do. Thank you very much for watching my video and subscribe me.